In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up an Authenticator app for PayPal account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification on your PayPal account using an Authenticator app instead of using a phone number or email verification code during sign-in. To begin, access your PayPal account using a browser on your computer, phone, or tablet. After signing in, you'll arrive on your PayPal account homepage. The steps are very similar for both personal and business PayPal accounts, although the menu layout may look slightly different depending on the account type you are using. On personal accounts, select the settings icon near the top right corner of the screen and select Security from the settings menu. Inside the security section, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Continue by selecting Setup or Update next to that option. Once the setup page opens, select Use an Authenticator app. You'll then see a QR code along with a setup key that can also be entered manually if needed. Next, install and open an Authenticator app on your mobile device. You can either scan the QR code displayed inside PayPal or manually enter the setup key shown on the screen. Once the QR code has been scanned or the code has been entered manually, your PayPal account will appear inside the Authenticator app. The app will begin generating a 6-digit verification code that refreshes automatically every few seconds. Return to the PayPal verification page and enter the current 6-digit code shown inside the Authenticator app. Make sure the code is entered before it refreshes. After entering the code, select Confirm. PayPal may then ask you to verify your identity using a code sent through email or phone verification. Enter the verification code and continue by selecting Submit. After the setup is completed, the Authenticator app will appear as the primary verification method for your PayPal account. The next time you sign in, enter your login details, open the Authenticator app, enter the current 6-digit code displayed for PayPal, and continue to complete the sign-in process. And that's how to set up an Authenticator app for a PayPal account. Thank you for watching.